it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Vendetta Boss, Alkaline, the man himself, with no rest. Yeah, Vendetta Boss with man himself, no rest. Let's go. Did I say Vendetta Boss, man himself with no rest? No. Alkaline with no rest. Official visualizer. Big up yourself, Vendetta Boss. Big up the Vendetta fans, them. Big up on yourself. You know, very active in the comment section, them, and every day I drop though. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Yeah. And if you're not tuning to the ongoing throwback, what the video them I do, Alkaline and different artists me I do. When you can tune into that, drop us up on the channel and hit the notification bell so on know exactly when my video drop. Alright? So we're gonna jump in the one on here where the G officer. Let's go.
Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go again!
Let's go!
Have to start from somewhere. Don't stop putting the work up on a Sunday. Crazy when them turn round, need help. Peace of mind me I get from what I like none else.
But I tell us straight, say, listen, him have to start from somewhere, from Sunday. No, him have to start from somewhere. Remember, I'm telling you, dog. Him have put in the work, brother. You have to start from somewhere, you know. So him have tell us, say, yo, all on a Sunday, him a work, dog. All on a Sunday, him a work. And then after that, him go ahead and say, hold on.
Have to start from somewhere. Don't stop putting the work up on a Sunday.
Yeah.
Crazy when them turn round, need help. Peace of mind me I get from what I like none else. People
But tell us, a peace of mind him I get from what they like nothing else. Remember, say we say I kind of drop song hard from the year start, you know. The man drop a song pan every first of the month so far, you know. So me anticipate the next one to drop at the end of the beginning of April. The boss will drop. So if we're gonna continue the pattern there, we're gonna get the next Alkaline next week. Let's go.
when them turn round, need help.
Let's go.
Peace of mind me I get from what I like none else. People a shit a bush no member. When they funny I want it colder than December.
People who shit a bush no member. Some people no member what you do for them. Some people bite their hands and feed them. Some people throw the sick before them cross the bridge. Them shit a bush them no member. No.
People a shit a bush no member. When they funny I want it colder than December.
Move.
But against the wall I have to come up with a way out. In the fully in, if you go stay out then I stay out.
In the funnel in. If you're out there, go stay out, brother. You can't have it both ways. You cannot have it both ways. If you're in, you're in. If you're out, get the fuck out. Simple. Simple.
In the fully in, if you go stay out,
you go stay out, yeah.
Never want for nothing again to me that I goes. Nobody has it hard to tell you with you from the foes. December, but against the wall I have to come up with a way out. In the fully in, if you go stay out, then I stay out. Never want for nothing again to me that I goes. Nobody has it hard to tell you with you from the foes.
Yeah.
Love that are the key, and if you know, then you will know what.
But I say never want for nothing, brother. Right now, I'm alright. I'm have everything what I want. You see me? Nowadays, it's hard for you to tell who are the friend them from the foes. Because I remember say you have some PUSSY around here in the dog way. But act like say them with you in the brother. Act like them are your friend in the bro, but them are pre your deep, ready for kill you in the dog. You see me? I have conversation with you every day, and boy will want to kill you deep down. So it's hard for you to tell, brother, you have to smart, you have to street smart, you have to out there, you have to smart.
Nobody has it hard to tell you with you from the foes. Love that are the key, and if you know, then you will know what type of words some feel say, because them not make so no more.
No.
Now slow, I don't call it big dream. People have a ticket, no one ever big dream. I be caught up on me, slow, I don't call it big dream. People have a ticket, no one ever big dream. With you from the foes. Love that are the key, and if you know, then you will know what type of words some feel say, because them not make so no more. Now slow, I don't call it big dream. People have a ticket, no one ever big dream. I be caught up on me, shot I carry with me. From Black Academy, to know they never know the history.
Alkaline body you fuck. That's all I'm gonna say. The G body you fuck.
With you from the foes. Love that are the key, and if you know, then you will know what type of words some feel say, because them not make so no more.
Yeah.
Now slow, I don't call it big dream. People have a ticket, no one ever big dream.
No.
I be caught up on me, shot I carry with me. From Black Academy, to know they never know the history.
Yo, well, see what Alkaline do from me there. Alkaline song them seem so effortless, dog. Like the boss I tell you, say, listen, this is so easy for me, bro. I've been doing this for so long. Like, it's so easy for me. Like, I master the game. Like, what more do you want from me? What more do you want from me? Right now, I'm just pleasing my fans, bro. No rest. Pleasing my fans.
I've been caught up on me, shot I carry with me. From Black Academy, still know they never know the history.
Yeah.
I know. Can't get no sleep, nah, nah.
No.
Sleep, nah, nah.
Like this.
Sleep, nah, nah.
Sleep, no rest. No rest. Boy.
Keep a guard over it, mix up me, the only way that me are, yeah. So the changes before me, never forget them lessons that what they used to show me. New heights, man, I made for me, never forget them lessons that what they used to show me. New heights, man, I made, stay real to the pledge, freestyle on the ledge.
New heights, man, I made, stay real to the pledge, freestyle on the edge.
New heights, man, I made, stay real to the pledge, freestyle on the ledge.
Yeah.
Make a money out of build a life on the edge. Money for you collect every day on the regs.
That's the lifestyle, brother. Money for you collect every day on the regs. The boss are telling us the money for you collect every day on the regs, brother. Money for you make, no matter which day it is. No rest, you know, and no rest.
Edge. Make a money out of build a life on the edge. Money for you collect every day on the regs. Up there get the ladder, who all tell them no bother. Out there no stagger, lonely road and me a tradder. Last in my thoughts, I put them lyrics here together. Show the future where we come, say where we want that will be ever. Now no slower, don't call it big dream. People have a ticket, no I never big dream. I've been caught up on me, shot I carry with me. From Black Academy, you still know them, never know the history. Be ever. Now no slower, don't call it big dream. People have a ticket, no I never big dream. I've been caught up on me, shot I carry with me. From Black Academy, you still know them, never know the history. I know. Can't get no sleep, nah, nah. Sleep, nah, nah.
Hey. Sleep, nah, rest. Sleep, nah, rest.
I know. Can't get no sleep, nah, nah. Sleep, nah, nah.
Hey. Like this. Sleep, nah, rest.
No rest. Hey.
Bumbleclad. Vendetta fans, on a proud IG. On a proud this year IG I go on for that 2024, yeah. Look how much song gonna get sang from top of song, pan top of song, pan top of song. One thing me can tell you, no, I forget Alkaline and respect. Only not to like him, only not to love him, only not to rate him, but you have to respect him. You have to respect what he's done for himself. You have to respect what he's done for the game. Yeah. Yeah. You think a little fight like you would get? You think a little fight the G get? Or the G still a put out work? The G, like, you stop fight. You can't fight anymore. In past the level of fighting anymore. The bartender saying not even argue. He never argue with people, bro. Alkaline is the most exclusive artist, bro. Alkaline is the most exclusive. Them man, they and a man where can buck up in the streets, bro. Or on party, bro. Them man, they keep themselves to themselves. From them boss at same stay. From the father of the business at same stay. So the boss here put out work and I give a song, brother. I give a song. Yes. Big up yourself, G. Yeah. This is where I'm going to relieve that one. And still, let me know what you guys think, bro. The man chat on things that I sang. I mean, no, see a whole heap of them go over my head. Him have a line of the song when I say, what I'm saying? Like he must say, to me that a goals. No, to me that a goals nowadays something. Him not argue with I forgot the line I must say, but I feel like go over my head. Tired. What time now? 12 o'clock midnight night now. Kinda tired say see me, but I can't make up myself, bro. Song nice. This is my leave down and say if you enjoy the one I want to leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. And follow and click on any one of these two videos. Forget the Alkaline throwback. Sleep no rest. Hashtag no rest. Yeah man, that's right there, please.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.